In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on BCH future while talking about Bitcoin money cost figure for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Bitcoin money value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that BCH is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will BCH succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin money introduction in mid-2017. A gathering of engineers needing to build Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on the 1st of August 2017. Subsequently, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the cryptographic money split in two. Bitcoin money was made out of pressure among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange charges and progressively unique suppositions on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin money additionally focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as vision for the first Bitcoin, seeing shared exchanges as the guiding principle recommendation of the organization and the variable that ought to be streamlined versus other contending factors like security. It varies from different adaptations in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective is to expand the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money will actually want to contend with the volume of exchanges that industry Goliaths like PayPal and Visa can at present process. Bitcoin money value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 0510 plus 5.31% $123 50202305 11 plus 3.94% $121 89202305 12 plus 2.19% $119 84 202305 130.03% $117 24 202305 144.37% $112 15 202305 15 plus 1.14% $118 61 202305 16 plus 0.44% $117 79 202305 176.86% $109 23 202305 182.16% $114 74 202305 19 plus 1.11% $118 58 2023 05 203.50% $113.17 Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. High expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 June 21.57% $91.97. 2023 Jul 41.80% $68.25. 2023 Og 30.12% $81.95. 2023 Sep 26.03% $86.75. 2023 Oct 18.20% $95.93. 2023 Nav 17.67% $96.56. 2023 Dec 12.97% $102.07. 2024 Jan 0.95% $116.17. 2024 Feb 2.66% $114.15. 2024 Blemish plus 5.21% $123.38. 2024 APRA plus 14.49% $134.27. 2024 May plus 16.40% $136.51. BCH Value Expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees BCH coming to $246.28 in 2025. What will BCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $208.86. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Bitcoin Money will be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Bitcoin Money coming to $615.69 in 2030. What Bitcoin Money will be worth in 2040? Our Determining model sees Bitcoin Money coming to $1,231.38 in 2040. Will Bitcoin Money supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin Money won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Is Bitcoin Money worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Bitcoin Money merits purchasing. Is Bitcoin Money a wise speculation? Bitcoin Money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin Money be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $68.25. In the long haul, it could leap to $615.69 or significantly higher. For what reason will Bitcoin Money succeed and get more expensive? Bitcoin Money has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Bitcoin Money ascending to $615.69 in 2030. For what reason will Bitcoin Money fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absent